Okay. You tell me if it's too heavy.
No.
Can you? Wow. Go to the dryer. Okay. Okay. Try.
I want it more.
Wow. Wow. Seriously? Okay. One more. Okay. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Apo, last one. Apo, come here. Apo, thank you. Thank you for helping your sister. This is the last two pieces. Put them in the dryer. And we are good. We're good to go. That one, yeah. You are great. Gently. Push it. One. Wait. Push the cover. 1, 2, go. Press the button. Okay. No, it's already. We just push one bottle here. Get inside. Give yourself hands. Hey, thank you so much. If you're hungry, you tell me, okay? It's my turn.